What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube Ninja Turtling video. My name is Mike. I'm a full-time media seller. I am at my wonderful warehouse today. The forklift's out there. The tractor trailer's coming back right now. I'm getting 50 million books delivered. I'm just kidding. It's Monday. Today's video is going to be a little bit of a different one. I got a whole bunch of topics to cover, right? I got something that sold on eBay. Woo-hoo-hoo. eBay money. You better watch out, eBayers, because I'm coming for that top spot with this one sale. And I got a fun kind of announcement, kind of new thing to the channel that I've been floating around here. I mean, I think it'll be fun. I think it'll be a good time for you all watching on the YouTube platform and everywhere else you can find me. So I guess I should just kind of lead with that, right? So once a month for the foreseeable future, myself and Max Common Ground Finds, I'll pop a picture of his ugly mug up somewhere. He'll be texting me, ugly mug, dude, come on, really? If you don't know, he does well over 6 figures on eBay every year, selling media, selling art. He has a consignment business. I work directly with him. We're gonna host basically a completely free, it's not basically, it is completely free, a completely free hangout this Thursday, 7 p.m. Eastern on Zoom. Free to everybody. All my YouTube members right now, Mike, I just wanted it to be me and you. Listen, you get enough of me and you the 4 other weeks of the month, right? So you'll be invited too, members. I'm not just leaving you out, right? Well, the ushers will usher you in. You'll get a seat right in the front row, right? So completely free. 7 p.m. this Thursday. All that information, right? Because I try to think about this. How can I make this work, right? I could go the route of a website and paying someone to build a website and an email list. I'm just going to put it out on the YouTube community page the day of. I will have reminders 3 days before the day of, and then probably about 30 minutes before we actually go live on the Zoom call. That will be posted on the YouTube community on my channel. So any single one of you watching this, if you're watching it before Thursday, you can come hang out with me and Max. I'm the Amazon guy. Max is the eBay guy. Probably a lot of my, YouTube members will be there. We're just going to talk business, what we're seeing in the market, answer any questions related to anything. I will say Max has got a lot more knowledge than me, so we'll leverage him for all of his knowledge, the 30+ years of information he's retained inside of that big head of his. So it'll be fun, we can hang out. But I sold something on eBay. I haven't listed on eBay in over a month. We sold Reminiscence. I pronounce this. Oh, here we go, right? Here goes Mike again, mispronouncing things. Everybody makes fun of Mike in the comments because he can't pronounce things correctly, like library or reminiscences. Reminiscences. 1819 to 1899. We sold this for 20 bucks, free shipping. Thought maybe it was signed, but it's just an inscription on the side. Sarah L. Lane from Lydia to my niece Dorothy from Aunt Sarah. So this has kind of been passed down. This was published in 1899. I don't even know what it's about, but hey, 20 bucks out the door. Yes, I will put this antique book in a box just for Caleb over at Antique Book Collective, so he knows I'm taking care of the old stuff, right? If I just throw this in a poly mailer, he's gonna unsubscribe to the channel and make some nasty YouTube videos about me. So that was our one eBay sale. Nothing big, nothing crazy. But yeah, I kind of wanted to hit on the topic of basically eBay sellers are working so much harder. Like, I wish I could grab every one of you eBay only sellers and just pull you over to the Amazon life for like a month or two. Hustle and Grow did a great video the other day talking about how these large eBay sellers now basically have to be using cross-listing software, and he's 100% correct, right? Every big, eBay YouTuber is like, well, I got to start cross-listing because the traffic on eBay isn't there. And the argument was made that, hey, the traffic isn't on eBay, but Amazon and even people are seeing great results selling on Walmart. Those platforms aren't slowing down. So it's like, come to the dark side. It's okay. I can, show you the way. Show you the, come on. I'm going to show you the way to the easier life. Things are going to sell. You're going to make money. Just come on. Come on. I know I ain't got candy. Just come on. Just come with me. Trust me. There's a lot of frustration with eBay. There's a lot of frustration with cross-listing. I do think you have to, we talk about it all the time. Don't keep all your eggs in one basket, right? I could, you know, if I get a sale on eBay, like I said, it's a miracle. I got an extra, you know, after shipping and fees, an extra $10. Holy smokes, the sky is falling. I expect nothing from eBay. But people that expect things from eBay, they're just not getting it. If I had to rely solely on eBay, I'll straight up admit, I'd be in a world of trouble. I mean, not just from the platform side, but like their expectations, you know, not even the traffic, and not even would take traffic into consideration. I just think it's so much harder on that platform nowadays than it's ever been. It's just nuts to me that we all keep, you know, just basically saying eBay needs to do this, eBay needs to do that. I challenge that you need to do something. You need to switch it up. You need to get on Amazon. You need to start selling on Walmart. You can sell used stuff on Amazon, stuff you wouldn't think you could sell. You know, it's crazy to me that people are, I don't know if it's like people are scared to sell on Amazon. I will say, right, there's a learning curve, but there's a learning curve with everything. But the sky is the limit. And just because the sky's falling over at that storage unit doesn't mean it's falling here. And I think a lot of us kind of get caught up with that, and then we start, well, we got to cross-list to 25 different websites. And then I'm selling stuff on Mercari, Poshmark, Etsy, Depop, eBay. It's like, holy crap, like, that's not the life for you or for me, right? I don't know. It was a great video he posted. I'll link it down in the comments. It's just, we get so caught up with, oh, this has got to be the way. This has got to be the way. If it's not working, then, you know, it's not the way. Like, come to Amazon. I'll take every one of you. Even though we'll probably be competition, there's plenty of books to sell, plenty of money to be made. I'll take every single one of you, and I'll even show you step by step how to make money on Amazon and how to kind of free up time in your life and get results and not have to pack and ship every order. That's kind of, you know, just what I wanted to cover today. Next week, we will have a what sold on Amazon video. I did put a poll out there asking you guys if you wanted like a what sold on Amazon video. So I'm working in the background on that as well. But yeah, Thursday. What's the date on Thursday? Hey, personal assistant, what's the date on Thursday? I don't have a personal assistant. The 21st. 7 p.m. Eastern. If you want to come hang out on Zoom with me and Max, any questions, maybe you just want to stop in and say, yo, what's up? I appreciate you. We appreciate you too. You can come hang out. The recording, I don't know. It definitely won't be uploaded to the public YouTube. It'll probably be uploaded to the members only part of the YouTube, just so they get some value out of us having a free powwow instead of, you know, the paid one that we usually have. But Thursday, 21st, 7 p.m. Eastern. I live on the East Coast, so you all have to deal with my Eastern time. And like I said, I'll post a Zoom link and everything leading up to it the day of, so you all can come hang out with us. It'll probably run for like an hour. I ain't got nothing to sell you, unfortunately, right? You know, I ain't gonna get you in there and then try to sell you, you know, hey, I came out with this product, I need you to buy it. I ain't got nothing like that. It's just something we do for the members every month, so we figured we switch it up. Invite everybody. Let's have a huge party Thursday night, 7 p.m. Eastern. And like I said, if you're struggling with eBay, think about Amazon. Think about Walmart. There's so many other ways to make money. Think about an antique booth, right? I've always tried to get an antique booth, and the lady's always like, she looks at me and she's like, nah, you look you look like trouble, sir. We can't have you in here. Or I already would have one. I've gone plenty of times, but hey, it's not something where you just sign up and they automatically let you in, right? Like the person that owns the place is like, this guy doesn't look good enough for here, so you're not allowed in here. But yeah, there's plenty other ways, and definitely go check out his video. All his videos are super insightful. I mean, he doesn't have enough subscribers for, I think, the kind of content he puts out, and he breaks it all down for you. I mean, it's crazy. Go check it out. So as always, I appreciate you watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I will see you Thursday night, 7 p.m. Eastern. Make sure you wear your birthday suit. No, come fully clothed. None of that nonsense. In the next YouTube video, bye-bye.